Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a couple speed tests. I put the stock gears back in. 1690 is the stock gears, is what it came out straight out of the box. But I have my 3300 kV brushless motor in there. So we're going to track that and start that, and then do a couple of runs and see what kind of speeds we get with that in there. Had a couple guys ask me if I could do the stock and the speed. 2S is I don't think it's any faster than the brushed. This is brushless. It has a little bit more off the line, but that is it. Got a lot more power. Spin the tires. I think that's about it. Let's see what we got here. I'll do a couple more. Stop. Read. 21 miles an hour. So let's do that again. Start. We'll do one more up and back, and yeah, it's going to be it does have the get up and go off the line though with the 2S battery. Yeah, it's much faster with the other one. But I already did the high-speed pinion and all that came in the box. So stop, read. Still 21 miles an hour, guys. So I'm gonna do a little sit down here, and we will do a comparison. I'll put all the numbers up on the screen and compare what the brushless and brush did on a 2S. Alright, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel again. We're out here with a little spot I found. It's actually a lot of people walking and riding their bikes now. I got here earlier before that, but it's my Slash 2-wheel drive. I just put this Spectrum little ESC in it, brushless. Hello, with 3300 kV motor in it. It's just a little guy. It's like a, what are they, 450 can or 540 can is what it would be. And 550 can, it's a 540 can. It's a small guy, but it should be good in this light little car. So we're gonna run it, do a speed test, because it wasn't very good stock. And I also left the speed gears that they gave. It was 2386. I just left those in. I didn't gear down. I might go bash it in the dirt here after this. We'll see if we can find a spot in this construction area without too many people yelling at me. A lot, like I said, a lot of people walking around. I'll find some dirt. But I'll do a couple speed runs first. Oh, I can't find the body mount on this one. Use that one. I know I did put the lower center LCG in it, so that ought to help it from rolling. As you can see, it's got the blue chassis, of course. I don't know why Traxxas did that, but had to be some crazy reason. I guess so you can turn everything blue, huh? Where's the other one? There it is. Something's not sitting right. Oh, GPS. I have my GPS in the back. That's not a good spot for it. That's not a good spot for it. Let me move it. I'll be back. Alright, I got the GPS on the inside just with a little strap. I don't think it's going to go nowhere since we're just going to do a quick little run. This is the first time with this brushless system, so we will see. Whoops. Man, I had that all straight. I wonder why it does that every time. So what do? We hold, I think we hit the set button, and we turn the wheel to the right, and we hold the set button again. Okay, there we go. I think I might need the, came with other springs. I wasn't sure, it didn't say what to do with them. I'm assuming for the front because of they're the same size, but I didn't want to just go and stick them in if it ran fine this way, so I'll see. Let's bring it back. Make sure the GPS is working. Stop, read, 12 miles an hour, so it's working. Track, start, testing. Let's go. I do have the, I think I put the punch up to 5, so. Oh yeah. Doesn't do a wheelie, but it sure lightens the tires up a little bit, huh? Yeah, it's not as fast as I was hoping. It's still 2S, guys. It is 3S capable, but capable. Yeah, I think it needs to be geared down, and maybe a 3S. Battery, what I'm thinking. So we're gonna go stop, read, 32. So it peels out now. It has that beginning. But I think it'd get it a little better. Put that smaller pinion and bigger spur in. It'd be a little bit fun basher. I think this might be just a. And again, we might just take that little motor out and put it in one of my little cars because it's not performing like I thought it would. Oops, I didn't set that in there. I just wanted to. There's the track. Start. Let's just run it one more time to make sure. Brakes work good compared to the stock ones. Stock ones didn't stop nothing. Yeah, that was full trigger. Let's stop, read 32. So we got a couple more miles an hour out of it. I think it was 28, 20, somewhere around there, and then it went to 30. So that's 30's pretty fun. I think it'll give it some more torque too once you put the smaller pinion back in it, right? To give it that takeoff power. As you can see it, feel it hesitate. So let's see what she got here real quick, heat wise, and we'll find a little dirt spot. Sorry guys, a little hard to. 84 miles an hour. It's 84 degrees, so that's not bad. So all right, we're gonna go find a little dirt spot to go bash in, go run around and see how it handles in the dirt. I haven't had that chance to do that yet, so that'd probably be a little second part. Kind of did like a little speed part that I might throw all together. We'll see what the time wise is, but thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a good day. Alright guys, we're back inside. Just gonna go over what I learned, and I don't know what's going on, but which I know you don't gain too much when you do a 2S and you go to brushless. You just gain a little performance, like off the line. It spun the tires a little better in the high-speed gear. And then that's about it. Because let's see, we went stock gearing. Brushed was which stock gearing was 1690, 16 spur, 90 spur, 16 pinion, and stock was a brushed 12 turn Traxxas motor. It was 24 miles an hour. Now with this motor in, it's a Spectrum 85 amp 3300 kV motor, stock gearing 1690, 21 miles an hour. So it was actually slower with this by 3 miles an hour, which I don't understand, but okay. And then we went to the speed gears, which they provided you in the box, which was a 23 tooth pinion and 86 spur. So on the brushed, when I did it, I got 31 miles per hour. And that was on the stock brushed with the speed gears. And then I got, with this setup, 3300 kV motor, at 32 miles an hour. I will say you do get more off the line speed. So that first punch, whoosh, it goes. Where brushed, it takes that little bit to get that speed. Brushless, you're up to that speed fast. and you get to spin out the tires a little bit more, is what it seemed like to me. So in the long run, if you're not going to run a 3S and you're only going to run a 2S, man, I don't know, I would probably just keep it stock. After finding that out, I would have just left it stock. That 12-turn motor is very good that Trexas has. I use it in a couple of my other cars, and my little ones, you gear it right, you get to 40 miles an hour, so, you know, but I'm going to run a 3S in this thing, so I got the motor mount coming, just ordered it, so that should be here in a little while, week or so. But other than that, it's good. I like it. It gets up. And you'll see after this that I did take it in the dirt with this 2S setup, and it was I had fun with it, so that's all that matters, right? As long as you have fun with it, the person driving it. So, but we're still we'll be tinkering with this thing as we go. I got a couple ideas that I want to do. Not sure if I want to keep it dirt or still. I think I want to put it on the street, but not make it a street car or a drag car. Make it just a street car. So I don't know. We'll see. My mind changes all the time. So, but there you go, guys. So, and I'll put the numbers up top so you guys can read them. But compare to each other, and then go from there. So, like, I don't know, for $100 I wouldn't have done that. If I'm just gonna run 2S, I'd just stay stock. There's no reason to do that. Now if you're gonna go up to 3S, yes, then I'm sure this is gonna be doing at least 40 on 3S. So we'll see though. We'll test that too with the stock gears, and the 2386 gears, and then I believe I have a 25 tooth pinion in there, which we'll throw in that and should be able to get a couple more miles out of that, I'm hoping. So we'll see how the motor handles that. You know, if it's too high but the motor wasn't hot, it was nothing, and I was out bashing in the dirt with it pretty hard. So with the high speed gear, the 2386. So okay, now I'm just rambling, guys. So so there you go. There's a little comparison for you guys. You all have a good day. Please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.